Slug. My pet slug, I called him Fred. Used to talk to him till Mummy walked on him. Now he's dead. Poor Fred. I found him on my windowsill one day, and I went to ask my mummy could he stay. But Mummy gave a shout and she squashed his insides out. She didn't even try to get away. My pet slug, I called him Fred. I used to talk to him, but Mummy's walked on him, and now he's dead. Poor Fred. I know that he was squidgy, small and fat, but most folk have a puppy or a cat. And he tasted kind of funny, like your nose does when it's running. But she hadn't ended up so flat. My pet slug, called him Fred. I used to talk to him, now Mummy's walked on him, now he's dead.